Okay, recently I made a video on my other channel how to create a RAM drive in Windows 11. And I asked myself how to do that on Linux, on a Linux system. And I was very curious if that's possible with just installed tools. And of course, it's Linux and it is possible. So here on ubuntuusers.de, I found the following commands. Here you can use sudo mount -t temp fs, and then you to define the mount point, and then you can create a RAM disk just using this temp fs file system in Linux. And you can also define the size, like for example a percentage of your available RAM, or you can also set a fixed size, for example in that case here 200 megabytes. And since I'm very bad remembering these commands, I created a script. You can find it here in this blog post. I put the link in the video description, and if you scroll down, you will find the script here. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, so I created a small script you can use, or we will use in this video. The link is in the video description, and in this blog post you can also read everything I describe here in this video. The code, you can find it here. Just copy the code here, just select everything and copy, or you can also download the script here. I've already created this file here, ramdisk.sh, so let's open that with a text editor. And here you can find our script. There are two configuration options here at the beginning. The first is the mount point, where we want to create our RAM disk, and the second one is the size. In my case here, I want to use 1 gigabyte, and you can also enter different sizes for your RAM disk. So save the file. And then we need to make this file executable. So right click here, select properties, and for permissions, you allow the execution of this script. Okay, let's run the script. I open a terminal here, and then I start my ramdisk.sh script. And now we have these options here. We get a small menu here, and I have the options to create and mount the RAM disk, check the RAM disk, and also unmount the RAM disk. So let's select the first one. I have to enter my sudo password in order to create the RAM disk. And as you can see, we now have the message, MNT RAM disk is now mounted. And here it is, MNT RAM disk. And I can create, for example, a new document here, and it's now in my RAM. Of course, I can also unmount it. So we just start the ramdisk.sh script again and select the third option here. And the RAM disk is now unmounted. And as you can see, when I refresh the folder here, it's all the files and contents is gone. And basically that's it. That's how you can create a RAM disk in Windows and Linux with a small script that helps you with all the basic functions. As said before, everything is here in this blog post available, the code and also the description here, how to do that. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.